What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So I wanna show you one of the best app on the Note 10 on the EMUI 8 is the phone manager. This is one of the best phone manager. You can easily clean up. Let me show you the cleanup. So I wanna clean up the phone. I just click optimize. It's gonna clean up. It's gonna optimize the RAM, everything done. I can block, I can app launch the battery, the virus scan, or I can use a quick scan to see. This is one of the best phone manager I have seen on a phone to maintain your phone in a good condition softwarely. It was me, none other than Jimmy and Geek. Again, I'm a big fan of Huawei Note 10. This is one of the best phablet ever built. This is much better than the Mi Max 3. There's no reason why you should buy the Mi Max 3. Again, it was me, Jimmy and Geek. Subscribe and bye.